Happy 2026, you guys. Today is the first Monday of 2026. I believe it is the 5th. It's the day everybody goes back to school, everybody goes back to work, and I have to clean this house. I've had about a month off and it shows. So behind me there is stuff from our Key West trip that we shipped back because we usually only travel carry-on and all that wouldn't fit into our carry-on bag. I have a bunch of stuff down here under my Christmas tree that needs to get put away. I shouldn't even show you my dining room table. I'm just gonna give you a little spin around. Yeah, all that stuff is like gifts from friends and family. I have all these gifts here that need to be put away. I just kind of have stuff like everywhere that needs to be put away. So let's get to cleaning. But before I can start anything else, I have to do laundry. Don't judge my kitchen or my laundry room. Real life here. I also at some point need to change the sheets on my bed. Ask me when I'm gonna do that. Probably not today. Look how cute these PJs are. I wore these on Christmas Eve actually. They just came from Walmart last year, but like they've got these cute little deer on them. This is my favorite laundry detergent. What is going on with my hair? Oh my gosh. I have all these baby hairs right here. And with the light behind them, I look like a crazy person. Ignore the hair. This is Tyler Glimmer Wash. The scent is in Diva. Listen, Divas, she's a little pricey, but it's okay. Google, play Casey Musgrave songs.
Okay, playing Casey Musgraves on YouTube Music.
And take the trash out. Who's ordering McDonald's? Me. We're not doing that. We're back from vacation. We're back from Christmas break. I gotta think of something to cook for dinner tonight. But first, let's gather up all this trash. We're on our second load of laundry for today. Can you even hear me in the laundry room? Which means I have to figure out something for dinner now. What are you guys doing in there? Aren't you cold? No, we're in the refrigerator. I think I'm gonna make this for dinner. Listen, normally I cook or I put something in the crock pot for dinner, but the future me thought ahead that I would be cleaning and not want to cook dinner. So I think you just heat this up in the microwave and we'll have like little tacos. Maybe I'll do some refried beans on the side or something like that. Because the weather is gorgeous and I gotta get out there and take a walk at some point today. First, we eat lunch. You guys, it's like 60 degrees outside. and I sat down here with a little snack. It's about 4 o'clock now. A little snack and a Coke Zero, some popcorn and a Coke Zero. Fun fact, this is from the airplane. Do you guys take the airplane snacks and then save them? I do. I got a little bit of a headache, and I don't know, I haven't had a coffee today. I'm trying to cut back on my coffee because anxiety. I'm cutting back on my coffee as I drink a Coke Zero. I'm not sure. I have a headache though. But I do have a couple of videos to upload and just a little bit of computer work. I'll come back and show you the dinner after I cook it. I'll probably start cooking it whenever my husband gets home from work. We'll cook it. I'll show you my dinner and we will wrap this vlog up. I think I've got plenty for today.